Are you ready to tackle your cleanup projects with ease? Look no further than EZ Rolloff Containers, your go-to choice for dumpster rental in Asheville, North Carolina. Whether renovating, decluttering, or handling construction debris, we've got you covered. Our dumpsters are designed to make your cleanup a breeze, offering convenience and reliability at your fingertips. With a range of sizes, we've got the perfect dumpster for every job. Small or large, residential or commercial, EZ Rolloff Containers delivers the suitable container to your doorstep, tailored to your needs. But what sets us apart? It's not just about dumpsters. It's about the experience. Our dedicated team ensures seamless delivery and pickup, and we pride ourselves on making your dumpster rental journey hassle-free. Why choose EZ Rolloff Containers? It's more than just a dumpster. It's a solution tailored to your needs. Make your cleanup project a breeze by calling us at 828-215-3988 or visiting our website at www.ezrolloffs.com. Dumpster Rental Asheville, NC. EZ Rolloff Containers, your partner in keeping Asheville clean and clutter-free.